say? I'm like, so I'm that mom, I know. He likes you. I see you. The perfect mom outfit. Mr. Arlo is helping me get ready this morning. You doing your YouTube videos?
No.
What you got, bud?
These things.
Oh, good choice. You watching yourself?
Yeah. Oh.
Arlo, you helping me?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Good morning, guys. Today we are vlogging. We're currently getting ready for drop off. I feel like usually my vlogs are at the end of the day and I show like pick up with the boys and after school activities. Today we're flip-flopping it and I'm gonna show you drop off and we're gonna do some fun stuff today. I'll also show you my outfit later, so if you have questions about this suit, don't worry, that is coming. It's been kind of a chaotic day with the boys so far. They woke up kind of in a mood. So Jordan just took them to get in the car. We're gonna get some breakfast on the way to school and let's go. Let's do this. What'd you say?
Hi guys, this is our sandwich.
This is our sandwich, wow. What you eating?
A sausage sandwich.
Sausage sandwich. Healthy options this morning.
Yep. And we also got a new Jeep.
We did get a new Jeep.
Yeah.
Do you like the new car?
Yeah.
You are so sweet, bud. I love how I pull the camera out, the vlogging camera, and Christian goes, "Hi guys." It's our little YouTuber boy. Yeah. I see you, bud. Arlo, can you say hi guys?
Hi guys.
Okay, now I'm back home in the exact same spot I was earlier, apparently, but I'm a little bit more put together, got my hair done, and I thought I would show you my outfit. I actually totally just fell on my butt. I actually have two outfits to show you guys and they're both from Walmart. Walmart is actually sponsoring this video, so thank you to them for that. I love how affordable the clothes and the fashion are at Walmart, plus they have everything for fashion, beauty, home. When we were in Ohio, I furnished a bunch of our house there with home decor and home items from Walmart, so they are just like a great staple place. I know a lot of you guys love them too. So first up, I have this velour jumpsuit. This is a two-piece set and it is so comfortable. It's so soft. I also love how it's like got kind of a flowy fit to it. It just fits really nicely and it has pockets and was perfect for drop off this morning, but it's also going to carry me into running errands later today right after this. So it's like the perfect mom outfit. I just love it. Then the second outfit I have is this pinstripe dress. This one I thought would be so cute for spring and I actually think I might wear it for Arlo's birthday party, which I'll talk to you more about in a little bit because it's going to be all train themed and I'll show you some of the things I got for it. It's going to be so cute, but with the little stripes on here and just, I don't know, the front detailing, I feel like this would be so cute for like a little train birthday party, but it's also kind of preppy and just like polished for springtime. It also has pockets. When the weather warms up, it's the perfect time to break out some spring dresses, and this one is right up my alley. There's also a great price point on this dress. Like I said, I love Walmart for their affordability, so this dress is only $32, which I think is a great deal considering how good quality it is. And then the shoes that I had on with both outfits are also from Walmart. These are so fun. I feel like they look way more expensive than they were. They're also in the 30s. They have like a faux crocodile texture to them, and then there's a little bit of faux fur on the back too. So for anybody transitioning from winter to spring, maybe you have some cooler temperatures still, these would be great for you. They're just like really good comfy everyday shoes and they are actually so comfortable too. So again, I'll have all three of these looks linked down below. Be sure to check out Walmart and let me know what you snagged there. And now let's jump into the rest of the vlog. I think there's some more socks. I think there's one over here, bud.
Oh yeah.
Can you take it to the laundry room? We are on our way. We are on our way.
We're just on our way right now.
We are on our way to a fun family day. Yesterday was kind of a wash for us because we had planned to take the kids to the zoo and the park in the morning and stuff, and they woke up and how would you describe it?
It was not a good day.
It was not a good day for it. They were terrible. So we decided to scratch plans and are doing a take 2 today. I just realized I don't have any rings on.
Ooh.
I feel naked. And I'm not married now, I know. Wow. Do you have your ring on?
I'm a respectable mid-30s married man, okay?
Can't say the same. So yeah, we're going out to do a fun family day, doing a take 2 today.
I want to say something to them.
You want to say? Okay, baby, what do you want to say?
I'm in the mood of a sand guy right now.
You what?
I'm in the mood from a sand guy right now.
A sand guy?
Oh yeah.
What does that mean?
That means I just like going to put the sand and fall and.
Christian has been loving the camera lately. I mean, he is my child, so can you blame him? But yes, we're going out to the zoo, gonna have a fun day, and it's a brand new start. You have a bad day with kids, you have a rough parenting day, and the next day is a fresh, clean slate, so.
And yesterday was actually a good day once we stopped trying to make them do stuff.
It was like once we lowered our expectations, like not even in a bad way. Once we gave up on trying to force stuff, it was fine. We just rolled with it and we stayed on the couch and watched movies all day long, and that's what they wanted to do. And it was a great day, so.
I made a heart.
You made a heart?
Look at this.
Aww.
Christian said cheese.
Wow.
Yeah, there's chickens.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Can you push it through? There you go.
Look, what is it? Oh, hello. Okay.
Some cucumbers out. How about some cucumbers?
There you go. Hold it out.
Some cucumbers.
There you go.
Isn't
Isn't that nice?
Can I get some in this one? Because this one, I think I have to tear it in half.
You can, yeah, you can put it down. Good.
He likes you. He's a little freaked out.
He likes it now.
Good job!
Oh, it's okay. You're doing good. You're such a good helper. Thanks a lot.
Christian, can you show Arlo where to put the dirt?
Here, Arlo.
And then look, Arlo, we're doing this.
Wait!
Did you find more?
Something.
Nice. Put it on top. We'll put it in the bag.
When it was police her, that fight got started.
Yeah.
Christian.
This one.
Oh, it's a guinea pig.
I got big.
Okay, I'm back in my comfy lounge set because this outfit is just too good. I had to wear it again, but I mentioned earlier in the vlog that I would talk to you guys a little bit about Arlo's birthday party planning. So I have this huge box that I'm going to be sending to Ohio because we're going there in a couple weeks for Arlo's birthday, and we're gonna have the party at our house out there. I'm so excited. I've been in like full party planning mode. Anybody who knows me knows I love to plan parties. Like I get super into the details. I love like, I don't know, I just love event planning and like having this vision and then seeing it all come to life with like a celebratory day. It's just like one of my favorite things. So I'll show you some of the things that I'm gonna be sending out there, like a couple of the little details, but I'll totally vlog as much as I can that day as well and show you guys how everything comes together. So far I have like a bouncy house scheduled. I have this like pop-up for the yard. I actually put together a whole vision board to see how all the decor is coming together and just to make sure it's like functional and it's not too much all at once, especially because I'm planning it from far away. So I don't actually have a lot of the decor things here with me because I'm having it shipped to our place out there. But that's a great tip. I know I've talked to you guys about like the vision boards I make for home decor and room planning as well. So I always do the same thing for parties because it's just like I have so much fun with it. So the party is themed Chugga Chugga tutu because he loves trains. You guys have seen him watching the trains at the beach in my vlogs before, and I just thought it would be so cute. So I got him these little tan overalls to wear as his little birthday party outfit. How cute. I didn't know what size he'd need, so I actually got them in 2 different sizes, but I thought this would be adorable. And then he loves hats right now. He always has on like a little snapback or backwards hat, so I got him this hat that has a train on it. He actually saw when this came in the mail and got so excited. He calls it my hat, my hat. So I had to hide it up here in my office, that way he wouldn't steal it. But he's gonna wear this hat with these little overalls, and I got him some little blue shoes to go with it too, but now that I'm seeing it with the hat, I don't know, maybe he'll stick with sneakers. We'll see. We'll have to see. In Ohio, you never know what the weather is going to be like. So we don't even know if the party is going to be inside the house or in the backyard. We're just going to totally play it by ear. I kind of have a game plan for both. It's been fun like owning a home because we are in the process of redoing a lot of it actually. We realized that the floors needed redone because they were just kind of put in cheaply and started lifting and breaking and stuff. So we're redoing the floors. We picked out a really pretty like light wood color, not real wood, but you know, aesthetically it's going to look so pretty. And then we're painting the walls white, and we're going to paint the outside of the house tan. So as you can imagine, I am very happy with that color palette. I'll be showing that process a little bit too, but it's going to take a couple months to get there. So hopefully by June, everything with that house is settled in, but it's so fun being able to like actually customize it a little bit. Anyway, sorry, back to the party. Oh, this is actually some other stuff I was going to send out there, but now that we're doing the floors, all the little stuff, I'm gonna hold off on sending out there. But I got this little sign on Facebook Marketplace of all places, but it says Wi-Fi's on the house. It's like a little white sign so we can set it in the kitchen. We have one in there right now, but it's bigger than this and it's black, so you know, I like the little small delicate white one. So I'm gonna send that out there. And then we have a couple of rentals already booked, even though it's not fully up on Airbnb yet. Just our town is so small, like word of mouth it gets out. So I got this guest book. I customized this on Etsy, so I was able to pick the color and the wording and everything, but it says welcome to the Oberlin abode. And then when people stay in there, they can sign it. That's what we're going to be calling it too. Okay, so back to the party. So it's train themed, Chugga Chugga tutu. I have like a pop-up train photo op for the yard so that the kids can like stand in it and take their pictures with it. I actually worked with a seller to customize that for my color scheme too. I'm that mom, I know. But so I'm super excited for that. And then I got this template online for these coloring pages where she was able to also customize it for Arlo's name and however old he was turning. So I have a bunch of these pages, and then I got crayons too, and I'm gonna have like a coloring station, and there's all these different designs that all came in one little template. I was able to just print these out at home, but I thought that was like such a fun idea. And then the kids can take the pages home or whatever. I'll just have a whole stack of coloring paper there. And I also got more templates, so this gives you an idea of the overall theme we're going for. It says welcome to Arlo's 2nd birthday. This is kind of the template I used for the invites, for this welcome sign, this like old wooden train. This is also what I used for that pop-up in the yard to get the colors to match. There's this baggage claim sign, so this is where the little goodie bags to go home with will be. I'm gonna have some frames delivered for these so that I can like prop them up. Chugga Chugga Choo Choo fueling station for wherever the food is. And then I was even able to get like banners and stuff that I just printed out at home and I'm gonna string together myself. So some of it is like somewhat DIY, not totally, but there's also, because I didn't make the template, but I am able to just like customize it and print it out at home. And then there's also like a whole little Arlo's milestone sheet that I'm waiting till the last minute to fill out, but it's gonna have like a little sign about his interests and how tall he is and how many teeth he has and all that cute stuff. There's also these little pop-up signs for the food station. So gravel, coal, we're gonna have like Oreos and popcorn, train smoke, and snacks that kind of look appropriate for the theme. But I thought those signs were so cute. So for the goodie bags, I got these little canvas bags. They actually came in packs of I think like 25 or 50 or something. So I have extras. I have enough left over that I can use the same ones for Christian's birthday party, but they came plain. And then I actually used my Cricut to cut out this train symbol and like iron it on the little goodie bag. So for Christian's birthday will be like a dinosaur party, so I'll probably do something with a dino on it or something. But it's like the perfect little size canvas bag and good for little kids to just carry around. And then inside each goodie bag is going to be a wooden train whistle. Christian got his hands on one of these already and loves it. They're a big hit with the kids. And then I also got these little Thomas the Train bubbles. So these are just like little bubble packets with bubble wands. So those will go in here. I got some train themed tattoos. I'll probably cut up and do like 2 or 3 of these in each little bag. And also these little Thomas mini trains. These are so small, but they came in a pack of 12 of these. And this fits in the little goodie bag like perfectly. And then from that same template that I purchased, I was able to get these little tags that say, and I customized it to say, "Thank you for chugging along with us." And then I'm gonna use string to just like put that on the little baggie like that. So I thought those were so cute. I'm so excited for the goodie bags. And then on top of that, I'm gonna have these little hats sprawled out on like a table or something like that. I'm not sure what, but they're these little train conductor hats. I tried one on and they are too small for me, so it should be good for kids. There's kids of like all ages who are gonna be there, but each kid will get one of these little train conductor hats too, so they can either wear it home or wear it at the party, whatever it might be. But the goodie bags are probably like one of my favorite things about this whole party. But then we're gonna have lots of food. As far as food goes, like we're gonna have those finger snacks that go with the theme. Like I said, like I'm thinking popcorn, Oreos, pretzels as like train tracks, and maybe for the adults like a little charcuterie board or something to pick and grab from. But then we're also just gonna order pizza from a local place and have like a bunch of pizza so that we don't even really have to think about it. So yeah, that's what I have so far here, and I need to get this package mailed over to Ohio. But yeah, we're super excited. I'm excited to share the whole party with you guys, and I just like cannot believe that Arlo is 2. Like I can't believe I have a 2-year-old almost on my hands, and he is the sweetest little boy and total toddlerhood now. I'll have to do a 2-year update once we're back from the trip maybe. But I hope this little sneak peek into the party was fun, and that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. Let me know anything else you'd like to see in future videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.